I think that we're like a lot of people, my contemporaries will say, who I grew up with. A lot of them gotten away from Judaism, and I think it's for a couple of reasons. It was just that they didn't have a good Hebrew school experience, like me. Also, I wasn't necessarily in love with Hebrew school experience, and so when I go to teach at some of the Hebrew schools, like I've done, I hope that they're trying to do a little bit better job. And I think it would sometimes be better off, maybe almost don't teach them anything else at all about Hebrew or Judaism, as opposed to turning them off to it. Because once you turn off, then it's kind of hard to get them turned on, we'll say. And that and just that people, as I say, my contemporaries just like automatically dismiss Judaism, without really understanding it fully. My point being is that have a better, aside from Hebrew school, we're all adults. If you haven't done anything since the age of 13 in terms of Judaism, then that's fine. But explore it a little bit more before you just dismiss it, and before you do other things. And just that, and if somebody's going to go away from Judaism, it's probably not going to be me. I don't want to be the person to break the link, because certain of our relatives, they've kind of gone off and gotten away from it and things like that. And if I was a slightly different person, maybe I would. But I don't know. I just kind of decided that I prefer. I understand the arguments about God and about religion and stuff like that, and there's a certain amount of truth to all those. But fundamentally, it comes down to that. I think that there's something good, in Judaism, and and I don't want to be the one that breaks the link in our family.